Welcome DKWP 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like you're just a tiny cog in a vast, indifferent machine? Or maybe that you're the universe itself? Somehow? We're diving into the ancient Chinese concept of Tianren Yi, unity of heaven and humanity. Forget mystical vibes for a second. We're talking about how humans and the cosmos are fundamentally linked, not just poetically, but structurally. The challenge: making this ancient wisdom speak fluent modern science. Let's get started. So, what is this heaven we're talking about? Forget dusty scrolls. Think information cosmology. Wheeler said it from bit, right? Everything's made of information. But it's not infinite. Bekenstein put a cap on it. The universe has finite storage, like a cosmic hard drive. So, heaven isn't just out there. It's a structured, self-organizing cosmic tensor, TIJK. Think of it as layers: matter, mass, energy, information, structure, entropy, and semantic potential, meaning waiting for us conscious folks to interpret. It's a dynamic system, constantly balancing energy and information flow. Okay, heaven is the stage. Now, who's the actor? Us. Humans aren't just brains in jars. We're embodied cognitive systems. Our internal structure? Another tensor, HUVW. Three layers. Purpose, our why, our goals. The P in DIKWP. Cognitive semantic, our knowledge. Language, meaning making, K and W. And sensory motor, our senses, our body interacting with the world, D and I. These aren't separate boxes, they're deeply coupled. Think of the DIKWP mesh, a continuous loop, not a straight line. Data comes in, becomes info, meets knowledge, sparks wisdom, shapes purpose, and loops back. It's a constant dance between our inner world and the outer world. Now, the million-dollar question: what does unity actually mean here? Not some new age melting pot where humans become trees. That's a misunderstanding. True unity is structural synergy. It's about deep alignment, not erasure. Think of three pillars. First, semantic structures synergy. Our mental maps of the world should actually match the world's structure. Isomorphic mapping, basically. Second, boundary mapping alignment. Our senses need to work with the environment. Our actions need to fit ecological rules. Think eye sensitivity matching sunlight spectrum. Third, entropy energy flow synergy. We take from nature, we give back waste. The flows need to be balanced, sustainable. Unity is about these multi-layer boundaries aligning and maintaining a stable tension, not just dissolving into one another. So, how do heaven and man actually interact in this unified system? We can model it as O equals T tensor product H, a coupled state. Two key dynamics here. First, information coupling rate. How well do we perceive and respond to the environment? Second, boundary negotiation convergence. How do we adjust our actions and boundaries with the environment until we find a stable coexistence? Think of it like learning to live in harmony. And the path? A classic five-step semantic journey: gan sensing, zhi knowing, zhuan transforming, he unifying, hua actualizing. From raw observation to deep understanding, integration, resonance, and finally, action that transforms the world based on that unity. It's a spiral, not a ladder. Alright, theory is cool, but what's the point? This isn't just abstract philosophy. Look at proactive medicine: doctor, patient, AI working together, a ternary synergy. Ecological ethics: aligning human development with planetary boundaries, semantic consistency for sustainability. Human-computer interaction: making machines truly understand our purpose, semantic integration. Even a grand vision of digital unity, using tech for embodied cognition, ecological feedback, and AI assistance to achieve global harmony. Ultimately, unity of heaven and humanity is about achieving isomorphic resonance between our subjective world and the objective world. It's a call for holistic thinking, better education, smarter systems, and a future where humanity thrives, not despite nature, but because of this deep, synergistic connection. Food for thought.